friends. My name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video, we're going to be solving a system of two linear equations using the substitution method. Now, this is a three-step process, and so let's begin with step one, which is to solve for a single variable. Now, you may be thinking, what is a single variable? Well, that's a variable that doesn't have a number written in front of it, or a variable that doesn't have a coefficient. So I see this x right there is a single variable. That just means I need to now get it by itself on one side of the equation, i.e., I got to get rid of the minus 4. So let's do that by adding 4 to both sides. And that gives me x equals 3y plus 4. Step 1, done. Now let's look at step 2. So we're going to substitute into the other equation. And I'm abbreviating here, so forgive me there. Okay, so we're going to take the other equation and we're going to substitute the 3y plus 4 for x. Now, just to make that a visual standout here, I'm going to just make space with a parentheses where the x was. And then I'm going to come back and fill it with that 3y plus 4. So notice what was x, now I've replaced with this parentheses. The beautiful part of this is now my equation only has one variable. So I can distribute. 3 times 3y would give me 9y. 3 times 4 would give me 12. Minus 5y equals 8. Now let's solve. 9y minus 5y gives me 4y plus 12 equals 8. All right, two-step equations. Let's subtract 12. So it gives me 4y equals negative 4. And then last step, divide both sides by 4. We get that y is negative 1. Now, friends, that was only step 2 because now we have half of the solution. Remember, our equations had x and y in them. And now we know what y is. We just need to go figure out what x is. So step 3 is substitute into either equation. So this is where you get to choose. It doesn't matter which one you want to use. I would give you a hint. Choose the easiest equation, which I don't know about you, but that first equation looks to be the easiest. X minus 4 equals 3y. So I'm going to substitute negative 1 for y. I have x minus 4 equals 3 times negative 1. Or now I got x minus 4 equals negative 3. And we can add 4 to both sides. And we get that x is 1. Now I have both the x value and the y value for my solution, and I just need to write it in an ordered pair. So remember, our ordered pairs go in alphabetical order, x, y. Sorry about my video there, not sure what's going on with that. And that will give me 1, negative 1. I don't know what's happening with my video there. Forgive me, but I hope that helps you with our substitution method. Remember, always write your final answer in an ordered pair. All right, bye-bye for now.